Hello, this is Dr. Quack. Welcome to my training video on how to sell online even if you have no list using free Facebook traffic. Video part 1 of 6. Can you sell online even if you have no list? Yes, you can. I will show you in this training video how to sell online even if you have no list using free Facebook traffic. I advise you to watch this video from beginning to the end, then repeat as many times as you need. How to get in touch with me if you need help. You can get in touch with me if you have any question or if you need help as follows. You can contact me using Facebook Messenger. You can get more tools on my Facebook page. Make sure you like it. You can send me an email. You can learn a proven method to sell online without a list. Introducing the patented rapid formula by the top internet marketer Michael Cheney. The first letter R stands for research, is to find the best product to promote. The second letter A stands for angle, is to find the best angle to promote. The third letter P stands for promotional messages, is to create the messages to promote. The fourth letter I stands for incentives, is to provide the best bonuses for your buyers. The fifth letter D stands for deploy, is to start promoting it at certain frequencies. This video is part of a 6-video series. We'll send you one video a day for 5 consecutive days. Video 1, research, is sent to you on day 1. You are watching this video now. Video 2, anger. Video 3, promotional messages. Video 4, incentives. Video 5, deploy. Video 6, to watch video 6, you must share video 1 with 3 of your friends. Please follow the instruction we'll give you. If you have not signed up, go to this URL and sign up now. Video 1, research. How to uncover hidden affiliate commission gold mines? It is best to stick to products in internet marketing because it is the most profitable. I will show you how to look for lucrative affiliate products. You must buy and use the product and understand the product yourself. For newbie, we recommend evergreen products, products that you can sell all year round. In video 6, we'll handpick the top selling evergreen products for you. JVZOO. Go to JVZOO.com and sign up as an affiliate. Create an account, but you need to verify by phone. This is the JVZOO website. Go to this site and sign up for your free account. Fill up your names and particulars. Then click register. After you register, you need to verify your account by phone. Follow the instruction and verify your account. How to look for good products to promote? See demos. The first is the JVZOO product of the day. Log into your JVZOO account. On the top right hand corner, there's a section called JVZOO product of the day. click on this button. This will bring you to the product of the day on JVZOO. Under products launch list, top sellers and feature products, you can see this. Launch list. These are lists of the products launched. You notice some of the products have very little sales. It's only, some of them have only less than 10. Some have about 100. Still very little sales. So this is not a good way to search. Another way to search is to look at the top sellers. Here you can look at the top seller for today, yesterday, past 7 days, and past 30 days. I would recommend you to look at the past 30 days if you are looking for evergreen products, because this is more stable. Feature products. You go under products, look for feature products. You can find the 10 most recent JVZOO product of the day. These are the 10 recent products of the day. It gives you an idea what are the best-selling products on JVZOO. You can also search under affiliates, find products. This is how you do it. Affiliate, find products. This is my favorite. Under here you can see all the products. You can find a lot of evergreen products here. You look at the EPC or earning per click as a good indicator of sellability. Example, you look at the EPC. It's a good indicator. Forget about the other indicators. They are not very important. Just look at the EPC. You can see this is a very hot selling product with the EPC of nearly $12. Don't worry about the other indicators. Also, you must check whether the offer is still active by visiting the sales page. How you do that? You go here, click here, and look at the sales page. Make sure the product is still available, because there are thousands and thousands of products on JVZOO. You never know, some of them may not be available. You must look for evergreen products with less competition. You request for approval. You fill up the form and give a good reason. Example, you click the request button and you fill out a reason. Try to be polite. After approval, this is how you get the affiliate link. See? Example, this has been approved. So you click here, you will get the affiliate link. Just copy the affiliate link. It's very simple. The problem is some vendor won't accept new affiliate with 0 sales. In video 6, we'll show you how to get accepted by top vendors even if you have 0 sales. What is installed in video 6? In video 6, you will get this 70 hand-picked hot-selling evergreen products on JVZOO. You will enjoy guaranteed approval as an affiliate, even if you have 0 sales. You will get pre-written promotional messages for email, Facebook, blogs, and Twitter. You can download ready-made bonuses to be given away as incentive with your affiliate products. You will learn the free traffic method of promoting on Facebook. You will get a step-by-step done-for-you guide on how to sell online. How to get video 6. To get video 6, simply share this video with 3 of your friends as follows. If you have already signed up for video 1, we have emailed you the instruction on how to share this video with your friends. However, if you have not signed up for video 1, go to this URL and sign up now. Special report. We have emailed you a special report which includes this PowerPoint presentation file. Print it out and watch this video again. Take note on your printout. If you have not received the special report, go to this URL and sign up now. How to get in touch with me if you need help. You can get in touch with me if you have any question or if you need help as follows. You can contact me using Facebook Messenger. You can get more tools on my Facebook page. Make sure you like it. You can send me an email. That's the end of my presentation on video 1. See you in video 2. Bye.